when I see them putting money in the car, I grab a clipboard from inside to get their names and badge numbers. I come outside, I ask them for their names and badge numbers. They turn their back on me, walk away, and I'm continuing to ask them their names, and they say they don't have to give me that information. He tells me he's going to have the van towed, and at that point, and he says, I tell him he can't tow the van off private property, and he says I am the law and I can do whatever I want.
When I am arrested, I see a video camera in Deputy Cody's car. We had asked for the video from this camera, but we're told there was no camera in Deputy Cody's car. Mr. Maxwell tells the court, "No, sir, I specifically talked with Officer Cody. He does not have a video camera in his vehicle." As you can clearly see in this picture, taken shortly after the incident, there is in fact a camera in his car.
Now, even though the video clearly shows a deputy retrieving the van key from my pocket, Cody's answers under oath do not go along with this evidence. Cody is asked, question, he, referring to the tow truck driver, got the keys from who? Cody's answer, he went over to your wife to get the keys. He said he needed the key. He went over to your wife. He got behind the vehicle, got in the vehicle, and towed it away. Question, so it is your testimony that he got the keys from my wife? Answer, correct. Now, Brock Cody stated that he got the keys from my wife. The deputy that you see making me get out of the back of Brock Cody's car, and I'm standing up right now, he is searching me for the keys. I'm standing up and the deputy is behind me, searching me. He will find the keys in my pocket. Now, the two deputies that arrived last on the scene is Chad Wilson and Josh Lee. Now, it has been reported to me that you cannot take a van off of private property or any automobile. There is no public towing policy, that there is no statute that allows them to do this, and we did ask an attorney what is the difference from somebody stealing it off the street or from a deputy taking them, and he told me there's absolutely no difference whatsoever. Now, this deputy just closes the door and he's got the keys to the van. He's fixing to drop them on the ground. He just dropped them. He's bending over picking them up. All right, he holds them out. The tow truck driver just reached out and grabbed the keys out of his hand. Now what you see is the tow truck driver in the van, and he's going to take it off of private property, and so this would be the theft of the van right here that you're witnessing right now. And there it goes. Now, all of this started because of this piece of paper right here. Now, Brock Cody lies to the court when Mr. Maxwell asked Cody if I was the subject in question for the probate proceeding. As you can clearly see, the subject and party of this petition is my father, Wayne Irvin, not myself, as Brock Cody has indicated.